Let's make some puff pastry desserts. In a large bowl, you're going to add 1 brick of softened cream cheese. Then you're going to add half a cup of sugar, followed by 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. You're going to take a hand mixer and mix until well combined. You want to make sure that the sugar is well dissolved, so you're aiming for a smooth consistency. Now it's time to have some fun with the puff pastry, cutting them into different shapes and decorating them with the filling and different types of fruits and jams. Have fun! Now it's time for the oven. Place your puff pastry on a baking sheet and put them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. You want to make sure that you check in halfway because everybody's oven temperature varies. Once they are lightly browned and fully cooked, you'll lay them on a cooling rack to cool down, followed by a dusting of some powdered sugar. Doesn't that look so delicious? I hope you guys give it a try.